Hello guys, this is Rituraj and welcome back to another episode of C. So guys, in nowadays world, everything has been expensive. Guys, if you had to buy a good car, you have to put enough 7 lakhs rupees on that. Guys, in previous we have to put 5 or 6 lakhs to buy a new car, but guys, in this time the budget of the car have been increasing, and if we have to buy a minimum good car, we have to put 7 lakh rupees. So guys, in today's video I am going to tell you about best cars under 7 lakh rupees are now present in India. So guys, without wasting the time, let's begin the video. So guys, at the number 5 comes our Tata Tigor. Guys, in Tata Tigor only two models are present, guys, the base variant and the second base variant. Guys, the base variant XC model and the second base variant is the XM models are only present in this under the budget of 7 lakh rupees. Guys, in this car we have got 490 liter of a boot space. Guys, Tata's company is nowadays their after sales are becoming decreasing. So guys, if you want to buy Tata Tigor, please you have to check that in front of your locality you have two things: the service center of Tata and the showroom. If you have the service center, then the service center always present a good servicing or not. If it is also present, then you can buy Tata Tigor. And guys, in the number 4 comes the Maruti Ignis. Guys, if anybody had not liked the front look of the Maruti Ignis, guys, I can't do anything, guys, but Maruti Ignis is a car which has been present under 7 lakh, is a complete packaging car. Guys, here you can get a huge amount of boot space and a good 4-cylindric engine are also present in the Maruti Ignis. But guys, if the what comes about safety features, guys, if I talk about the Maruti's, particularly this car, guys, then in Maruti's Ignis it scored 3 out of 5 in the global NCAP test, and guys, that is acceptable. So guys, you can easily afford this car. And guys, in the third position comes the Renault Triber. Guys, this is a 7-seater MUV which has been present in this budget. And guys, if I compare to the other 7-seater cars in this budget, guys, this is the best choice for you to buy this car. And guys, if there is a good servicing and showroom present inside your locality, so guys, and the after sales of the Renaults are also good in your locality, so guys, you can easily afford this car. Guys, this is a nice car in the budget of 7 lakhs. So guys, let's move to the next one. And guys, in the next number 2 comes the all new Nissan Magnite. Guys, you can know that easily after sometimes the demand of SUVs are increasing, and guys, everybody want to buy an SUV in the family. So guys, if you can get SUV in this budget of 7 lakh, so guys, you can easily afford it. And guys, this is a nice car under the 7 lakh. So guys, you can easily afford this car if your after sales near locality of Nissan is good. And guys, in case of safety, Nissan Magnite has scored 4 out of 5 star rating in the global NCAP test. And guys, the wireless connectivity of this car is very nice. So you can guys easily afford this car. So guys, let's move to the next one. Guys, the best car in under 7 lakh rupees that comes in the one is the Tata Tiago. Guys, Tata Tiago is a car which has scored with great his safety. Guys, it has scored 4 out of 5 star rating in the global NCAP test. And guys, also there are fully loaded features in this car. And guys, the mileage of these cars are claimed as about 20 kmpl. So guys, this is a good car under 7 lakh rupees. And guys, that's all for today's video. And guys, some of the names of the car that I have not mentioned, because then guys, the video will be very long. And guys, I will meet you in the next video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And guys, do not forget to share with your friend. And guys, if you want to buy some cheap and good accessories for your guys, then guys, the links are in the description.